All right, good folks. If you haven't done so already, please put your first and last name at the top. This is week 2, so it says Q1, week 2. Okay. The items that are due this week, we're going to write down the items or the assignments that are due this week. So for this week, we got Q1, week 2, and our EQs are a grade, essential questions. We have 2 of them. Q1, week 2, we have the warm up. It's also a grade. We have Q1, week 2, and the homework is a grade. This week we're going to do iReady on Thursday and Friday. So we have the iReady diagnostic test that we're going to do in class on Thursday and Friday. Okay. Thursday and Friday we're going to do the iReady. Let's write our goal down. Okay. Our goal for this week, you write your goal. My personal goal for this class is going to be to make sure uh, you understand expressions and equations. That's what I'm going to review again is expressions and equations. Okay, that's my goal. Your goal could be homework. You could have a homework goal. You could have a focus goal. Whatever you feel like you need to work on. Okay. Yes, you do have to have a goal for this week. Yes, you do. Okay. Monday we were out of school. Monday was the 4th. No school here. Remember, you don't have to write the agenda. The agenda I'm writing down for the video. You do, however, have to write down the homework. Our homework for tonight, we're going to label it Tuesday. I'm going to label it Tuesday's homework. There is a help video. I'm going to send the help video and Remind. Remind is working, so you will be able to see it in Remind. If you have access to Canvas, it is also in Canvas, okay? So the agenda for today, I'm going to write it. You don't have to write it. We already did the warm up. I'm going to take attendance to make sure that we are here. We're going to review expressions today, okay? We're going to review expressions. We have that assembly, so I don't think that we're going to get much done. So I'm going to leave it at the second step, uh, the second thing on our agenda. If we get past that, then that's fine. That'll be great. If we don't, it's okay. Okay, good. All right, so now I'm going to try to get as much done as I possibly can. Let's write down, please, the essential questions. Let's turn over to the back. The first essential question, remember the essential questions are on the board, is describe how to solve expressions. It's supposed to be an S on expressions. Describe how to solve expressions. And then describe how to solve equations. Describe how to solve equations. Okay. We're going to go over the warm up. We're going to go over the warm up. We're going to go over the warm up. Hold on. We both in there? Oh, okay. All right, so we ready? No. Come on, baby. All right, let's turn and look at the warm up. Remember, the essential questions are on the board. All right, so we're simplifying expressions. A triangular park, okay, has side lengths. Let's draw a triangle. And the side lengths, one side is 3x plus 7, and the other side is 20x, and then the other side is 2. We want to know the perimeter, so we're going to add all the sides together. That means we're combining like terms. So before we can combine like terms, let's go ahead and simplify this. So when we simplify this term here, we're going to distribute, which means to multiply the 2 times both numbers in the parentheses. What's 2 times x? 2x. So this is 2x. And then what's 2 times a negative 4? Negative 8. Okay, so we've simplified this side. We can't simplify this and ignore this. So now we can combine like terms. So here we have the 3x plus 7, then plus the other side, which is 20x, plus this side right here, which is 2x minus the 8. Now let's combine the terms that are alike. Which terms are alike here? Which terms can we add together or combine? Yes, go ahead. 3x, positive 3x, a positive 20x, and what was the other one you said, baby? 2x. So let's add them all together. When we add all 3 of those terms together, what do we get? Yes. 25 what? 25x. Mark those out. Is there anything else that we can combine? Yes. What can we combine now? Positive 7 and what? And negative 8. What's positive 7 minus 8? Negative 1. This is our answer here. Raise your hand if you got that on your own. Okay. All right. A few more than I thought. That's pretty good. Octagon. How many sides is an octagon? 8 sides. So a regular octagon means that all the sides are the same length. So we're going to multiply 8 times one of the side lengths, which is 4x plus 1, to find the perimeter because it's 8 of those. So let's use distributive property again. What's 8 times 4x? 32x. What's 8 times 1? 8. This is the perimeter of that regular octagon. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, perfect. All right, let's look at the next. It says the length of the rectangle is this, and the width is this. Okay, what is the perimeter again? So 2 of the sides have this length, and 2 of the widths, and 2 of the sides have this one. Okay, this as a width. All right, so we're gonna combine like terms, but let's first, we can multiply 2 here, or add them all. Let's multiply because multiply is faster, right? So we got 2 times 7x minus 1. What's 2 times 7x? So we got 14x. And then what's 2 times a negative 1? Negative 2. So this is two of those sides, right? So let's do 2 of these sides. So that's 2 times 2x plus 5. What's 2 times 2x? We got 4x. And what's 2 times 5? 10. So now all we got to do is add these together, right? So when we add these 2 together, what can we combine there? 4x and 14x. What's 4x plus 14x? 18x. So we got 18x. And then we can add these 2 together. What's negative 2 plus 10? 8. Positive 8. Raise your hand if you got that right. Okay, cool beans. It's okay if you didn't. Now a square. What do we know about a square? All the sides. How many sides are there to a square? 4. Okay, so if we're finding the perimeter there, what are we going to do to find the perimeter there? We got to multiply this times 4. So that's 4 times x plus 6. Okay, so what's 4 times x? 4x. What is 4 times 6? 24. Raise your hand if you got that right. Perfect. Okay, any questions? All right, so now let's put this in our folder, work to do part of our folder. If you were absent on Friday and you have a packet to turn in, please make sure that you put your packet in the basket. If not, that is okay. All right, let's put that in.